How to upload video to ChatGPT. Did you know ChatGPT can watch, analyze, and summarize video content for you? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to upload a video to ChatGPT in 2026 in just a few simple steps. Before we start, one important thing to know. Video upload is available on ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team plans. Free plan users have limited or no access depending on their region and the current rollout. Now let us get into it. Step 1. Go to chat.com and sign in to your account. Start a new chat and look for the paperclip or attachment icon next to the message input box. If you do not see it, click the model name at the top and switch to a different model that supports attachments. Step 2. Click the attachment icon and select your video file from your computer. MP4 is the safest and most supported format. Keep your clip short for the best results. Videos under 5 minutes process most reliably. Step 3. Once your video uploads, type your prompt clearly. For example, summarize what happens in this video or what are the key points discussed. Then hit send and ChatGPT will analyze the video and respond. For mobile users, open the ChatGPT app, tap the plus or attachment icon, select your video from photos or files, type your prompt and tap send. Now here is your pro tip. If you see an error saying attachments disabled or max 0 uploads, switch to a different model in the model selector, try a fresh browser window, or switch between the web and mobile app. If you're still blocked, simply transcribe your video using any free transcription tool first, paste the transcript text into ChatGPT, and ask it to summarize or analyze from there. This method works on every plan with 0 upload restrictions. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you are using ChatGPT video analysis for. See you in the next one.